The EVO Series Case Packer. Faster, smaller, smarter. Marking a quantum leap in case packing technology, the patented EVO Series Case Packer represents a significant advancement in automation and quality control, ensuring precision, speed, and efficiency. This fast, compact, intelligent robotic case packer combines high speeds and high payload capabilities, all while packing a variety of formats, ranging from 4-inch wide shelf-ready displays up to quarter-pallet stackable trays. The optional EVO Cassette broadens your flexibility even more, with the ability to run standard pick flat, lay flat, or vertical pack formats with 6-minute changeovers between orientations. The cassette also uses compression on the product, making for higher efficiency compact case packing. EVO can run lightweight products, yet is robust enough to pack up to 20-pound bags on the same packaging line. Each cell is capable of up to 70 products per minute, and with up to 4 cells available, you can build the machine that caters to your needs. Transform your case packing with Delkor's EVO Series Case Packer. With its patented corrugated warpboard correction technology and patented forming technology, the Trifecta X case former is the most advanced case former on the planet. The Trifecta X uses blank tensioning and laser edge detection with microsecond adjustments to correct misaligned blanks, ensuring each blank is perfectly placed over the forming cavity. The result is a perfectly square case every time. The F-Series closer is Delkor's most versatile and compact closer for brown box, retail-ready, and club store trays. With 1-minute changeover and 99% max reliability, it's the perfect solution to close out this line. Intuitive, error-proof, and effortless, there is no better option for flawless changeovers than Delkor's patent-pending Smart Lock technology. Indicators turn changeovers into visual simplicity, so the operator knows that the changeover step has been completed. From case forming to palletizing, Delkor excels at full system integration and greenfield projects. Our highly trained engineers are here to partner with you to build your perfect packaging line together. Visit delkorsystems.com to learn more. Delkor. Smarter packaging starts here.